Hi friends, welcome to Access Language School. Today we're going to have a session on OET reading. As you all know that the total timing of OET reading is about 1 hour, that's about 60 minutes. Okay, so the timing has been divided into two parts, that is the total timing for part A is about 50 minutes, okay, for 20 questions, and for part B and C together it is about 45 minutes. Okay, then the reading subtest consists of 3 parts and a total of 42 question items. All 3 parts take a total of 60 minutes to complete. The 3 parts are A, B and C. So when we move on to part A, for each question 1 to 20, look through the text A to D to find the relevant information. Write your answers in the space provided in this question paper. Answer all the questions within the 15 minutes time limit. That is very important. Okay, your answer should be correctly spelled. So this is about the overview of part A. As you all know that in part A, it takes about 50 minutes for the completion of 20 questions. Okay, so part A has been divided into 3 subparts. Okay, so it has been divided into 3 subparts, and in each subparts it consists of the following forms of questions. So question 1 to 7, for each question 1 to 7, decide which text A, B, C or D the information comes from. You may use any letters more than once. That's about question 1 to 7, where you have to use A, B, C or D according to which text the answer is from. Okay, then moving on to question 8 to 14, answer each of the questions 8 to 14 with a word or a phrase short from one of the text. Each answer may include words, numbers or both. So that's about question 8 to 14, where you have to use a word or a phrase. Then we are moving on to questions 15 to 20. Complete each of the sentences 15 to 20 with a word or short phrases from one of the text. Each answer may include words, numbers or both. So that's about 15 to 20 questions where we are using a word or a phrase. So this is about the 1 to 20 questions in part A, for which we have to take only about 50 minutes to complete. But remember, when you write the phrase or word, spellings are very important. Okay, don't make spelling mistake. That's very important, and the time management is also very important. Okay, then next we move on to part B. In this part of the text, there are 6 short extracts relating to the work of health professionals. For each questions 1 to 6, choose the answer A, B or C, which you think of its best according to the text. So here we will be provided with 1 to 6 questions, that is each extract is different from one to another. So we are getting 6 different extracts, and for each extract we will be having one question and it is having 3 options. So we have to read the question first, read the option, then we have to read the paragraph, and then we have to choose which is the answer correct, whether A, B or C. We have to darken A if it is correct, if it is B you have to darken B, if it is C you have to darken C. So that's in part B. Okay, next we are moving on to the next part, that is about part C. So in part C, in this part of the test, there are 2 texts about different aspects of healthcare. For question 7 to 22, choose the answer A, B, C or D, which you think fits best according to the text. Okay, so here we will be provided with 2 different extracts. So for each extract there will be questions. Okay, so for text 1 it has questions from 7 to 40, and in text 2 it has questions from 15 to 22. Okay, so this is how we tell or we say about reading. It has got 3 parts, A, B and C. A part is written separately and B and C is written together. So A part will be provided with 50 minutes for 20 questions, and B and C will be provided with 45 minutes for that 2 parts. Okay, so this is an overview of OET reading. Hope all of you have understood. Have a nice day. Thank you.